What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy Chef Hause. You're looking at Hause BBQ. Today I'm gonna do one of my favorite cuts of meats, the prime rib roast. I'm gonna do a low and slow in the Oklahoma Joe. You know, get that smoke rolling using hickory wood and royal charcoal. We'll see how this turns out. Right now it's in the house getting the room temp. I already trimmed it up and everything. Let me know if you want to see that next time in the next video. But stay tuned, we'll go ahead and get this smoker lit up and then we're gonna get to go. As you can see, I already got it trimmed up and everything. Cleaned up the bones a little bit. I put some oil on her. A little rub I made. With the ingredients of sea salt, spices, black pepper, paprika, jalapeno pepper, bell pepper, red pepper, garlic, you know. Let her come down to room temp. So we're getting ready to cook. I use a lot of herbs in this, you know. Nice and savory. Just want to get it on there. Plenty of rub because it's a big piece of meat. Don't forget the sides. Gotta get the sides. Woo, making a mess, ain't I? So let's sit it on here. Almost forgot to put some rosemary on there. You know, a good aromatic, get your meat tasting real good. Almost forgot, but nope, got them on there. Let's get ready to cook. Check my fire too. You know, she's still going good. Throw another piece of that hickory wood up in there. Add some more smoke, get some more flavor. Also, I'll add the rest of this rosemary in here. Nothing wrong with it. Give it a little bit more flavor to her. Here we go. We reached the temp. Shit, 130 now. I was running low on coals. I ain't want to lighten up more up, but we reached her. There she go.